there, internet. We are in Chicago. We didn't think you needed to see anything between Toronto and all the waking up at 2 a.m. stuff. But we got ourselves some beers here because there wasn't really anywhere to get beer at like 4 a.m. in Toronto. And some delicious looking foods. So we're going to enjoy that. Very short layover, and then we're headed to Japan before heading to the Philippines. Yeah. Mixed emotions about being in the States, but I like this little juxtaposition of military discount with everything to do with Nazis. Also never seen a severe weather shelter sign before, except for like tsunami signs somewhere in Japan.
Is it a windy city?
I guess because we're in the windy city. Kind of looks like that.
Chi-town.
What'd you say?
Chi-town.
Chi-town, like chai tea?
Yeah, they drink all the chai.
Really?
That's how they got the name.
I'm very confused. So glad we're flying by JAL. Amazing.
One eternity later.
Last time we were here, it took like, I don't know, 3 hours to get through customs, so that took like 2 minutes. If that. I was waiting for Jives.
So compared to last time, we got through customs in like 20 seconds.
Yeah.
It was hours last time.
I feel like we've been here before.
Really?
The exact same thing as my little sweet cat.
Oh yeah.
I don't think there's any left on here, but find out.
Yeah.
We already found ourselves a landmark right here.
Yeah, there's Tokyo Tower behind
Yeah,
you.
we're like a 2-minute walk from where we're staying.
Yeah.
Crazy, everything's kind of coming up great. Even our train was like a super express that didn't stop at any other stops except for where we want to go.
We're hitting about the 24-hour mark or so from when we woke up to leave.
Yeah, that's not so bad.
No.
We'll be fine.
Yeah.
We'll sleep soon.
Nice.
Everything we wanted. You have self-checkout so we can leave when we need to, like in a couple hours. It's just awesome.
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
Everything has been shockingly easy.
I'm kind of worried now. I'm kind of worried.
All right. Looks like one of them super simple business hotels. I like it.
Yeah, look at the table too.
A little bench and a little table. Some QWERTY boards.
Yeah.
And a TV over here and a bed.
So it's like roughly 4 p.m. and our flight to the Philippines is at 2 in the morning. So we're gonna get some snacks, come back here, hopefully get some sleep, and then head back to the airport.
Do you still want to buy markers?
I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what we got up to.
Yeah.
Might be some traffic noise, but we're walking to Don Quixote, 20 minutes away, to find this guy a new belt because he broke his belt on the plane.
Literally just exploded while I was wearing it.
And then we're gonna go to Toyu. I don't even know if it's called Hands anymore, but like an art supply kind of stationery store to see if we can get some new pens, and then get some snacks and head back to our room to snack and sleep and yeah. My favorite buddy, the Yamanote. I should sing my Yamanote song. Should do it. Yamanote song, Yamanote song, Yamanote song. These are cats that are tops, so you can spin them. Like
Some excellent panda options as well.
and there's another panda here.
Yeah.
What do I get? Get the axolotl. Actually, they're all pretty great.
Otter in the raincoat's pretty adorable.
Yeah. That one. probably the least favorite, but that's okay. It's cute.
Good.
It's pretty cute. Great success. We got the belts, we got the pens, we found the hands, and now I think we're gonna take the train back and get some snacks and stuff.
Such a brief time we got here.
Yeah. I think we made the best of it so far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy about those markers and stickers we got.
Yeah.
Looks like it's almost Christmas.
No. Almost Valentine's Day though.
Yeah, same thing.
I wonder how bouncy this is. Oh, and also there goes the tower behind the station. Oh well. The sky looks really cool anyway. Even without the tower. So pretty. Okay, we're gonna go to the left here through the park. Our hotel's so close to the station, that's why we chose it. It's because it's on the last stop of the monorail line, so it's like a 13-minute ride to get to the airport from here. Oh, this is like a magic little fairy garden. This is beautiful. So you can see Tokyo Tower from our room. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. What a view.
We got our traditional pajamas on here. Yeah, I'm gonna get a couple hours sleep and head back to the airport with our snack time first, though, of course. Yes. So how would you say you felt about the kiwi?
I like it. It's not as good as the grapefruit, in my opinion, but it's pretty good.
Nothing's as good as grapefruit.
Yeah.
And nothing is as bad as the tomato one. Anyway, we're gonna finish up these beverages. Oh, I'm slurring my speech because I'm so tired. We've been going for over 20 hours. It's
over 24 hours.
Over 24 hours.
It was 24 hours when we got here,
Yeah.
and we went on a little adventure.
Yeah. So we're gonna go to sleep for a few hours and
Do it all over again.
head to the airport around 10:30.
Yeah.
See you then.
I know I'm getting old because that airplane made my butt hurt. I got a sore butt.
That didn't feel like very long, did it?
And
But-
yet, so much better than not
Yeah.
getting sleep.
I will take a couple hours sleep over nothing for sure.
Yeah.
Just headed back to the monorail to take the train to the airport. And yeah, get onto this final leg of the thing. Oy. I know I'm gonna feel better after a couple minutes. Like we literally just woke up. We're walking through a magical little fairy forest, and yeah, that's gonna make me feel good. Looks like the plane's finally boarding. Not that much late, but we're not in any rush or hurry, except for maybe to sleep, but time waits for all men, right?
That's right.
Ready for this last leg for sure.
There's our group.
Oh, group 4, let's go. You didn't say that to the camera, did you?
Yokoso.
Yeah, definitely Yokoso.
Momanaku.
Mamanaku. Ready. So ready. Last flight. We're in 2 seats together at the back though, which is awesome. And have I mentioned how much we love JAL? Awesome. Yeah. It is loud. It is crazy. We have currency. We made it through customs. It was a cluster, you know. Yeah. It was insanity. But there's been worse. There's been better.
Yeah.
Couldn't have hoped for a second Japan.
It was the scariest looking crowd when they're going through customs, but it moved fastly.
Yeah.
It was also confusing as to what you needed for your visa.
Yeah.
And then you go through customs without even needing it. But then
Yeah.
you need it afterwards.